Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to do few exercise problems from the chapter Accounts from Incomplete Records. So we will be using this formula in order to calculate the profit or loss. So you will start with the closing capital. You have to add the drawings made during the year minus the additional capital introduced during the year less the opening capital. So let me repeat. So if you want to calculate the profit or loss made during the year under the single entry system of bookkeeping, we will be using this formula. You will start with the closing capital, which is nothing but the capital at the end. Add drawings, deduct the additional capital introduced during the year, and then deduct the opening capital. Exercise problem number 1. From the following particulars, ascertain profit or loss. Capital at the beginning on 1st of April 2018 is 5 lakhs. Capital at the end of the year as on 31st March 2019 is 8,50,000. Additional capital introduced during the year is 1,20,000. Drawings during the year is 70,000. Now we are going to prepare a statement showing profit or loss during the year 2018-19. So particulars, amount. So we will start with the capital at the end. So capital at the end is given as 8,50,000. You have to add the drawings 70,000. You get 9,20,000. Deduct the additional capital 1,20,000. You will be getting 8 lakhs. This 8 lakhs is the adjusted closing capital. You have to compare this adjusted closing capital and the capital at the beginning. See, if adjusted capital is more than the opening capital, you get profit. If the opening capital is more than the adjusted capital, you incur loss. So in this, coming back to the problem, in this problem, adjusted capital is more and the capital at the beginning is less. So the difference 3 lakhs will be your profit made during the year. Second problem. From the following particulars, ascertain profit or loss. Capital as on 1st January 2018 is 2,20,000. Capital as on 31st December 2018 is 1,80,000. Additional capital introduced during the year is 40,000. Drawings made during the year is 50,000. So again we are going to do a statement showing profit or loss. We are going to find out the capital or loss. So we will start with the capital as on 31st December 2018. 1,80,000. This is the closing capital. You have to add the drawings made during the year. 50,000. So you get 2,30,000. From this, deduct the additional capital introduced, 40,000. So 2,30,000 minus 40,000 gives 1,90,000. This 1,90,000 will be your adjusted capital. Now we are going to compare this adjusted capital with the capital as on 1st January 2018, which is your opening capital. Adjusted capital minus opening capital. Here in this case, the adjusted capital is less and the opening capital is more. So you get a negative figure of 30,000. This negative figure of 30,000 will be your loss made during the year. Now let us move on to the third problem. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Closing capital as on 31st March 2018 is 80,000. Additional capital introduced is 30,000. Drawings during the year is 15,000. Opening capital as on 1st of April 2017, there's a question mark, we are going to find it out. Loss for the year ending 31st March 2018 is 25,000. So we already know the formula. Closing capital plus drawings minus additional capital minus opening capital gives profit or loss. So we are just going to substitute the values based on the formula. So closing capital is 80,000, drawings is 15,000. So closing capital, add drawings 15,000 minus additional capital 30,000. We don't know the opening capital and I've given here X. The opening capital is X, which we need to find out. Is equal to, they've given you the loss for the year. 25,000 is loss, so I have put minus 25,000. Since it is loss, we are using a negative figure here. Now we are going to solve this equation. So 80,000 plus 15,000 minus 30,000. This minus 25,000, if it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 25,000. And this minus x, if it goes to the other side, it becomes plus x. So if you solve this, you get x is equal to 90,000. So x is nothing but your opening capital. So opening capital is 90,000. The next problem. From the following details, calculate the capital as on 31st December 2018. So they have asked us to calculate the closing capital. Capital as on 1st January 2018 is 1 lakh. Opening capital is given as 1 lakh. Goods withdrawn for personal use by the owner. This goods withdrawn for personal use by the owner is the drawings. The drawings is 30,000. Additional capital introduced during the year is 15,000. This is the additional capital. Then profit for the year is 60,000. Again, we are going to substitute the values in the formula. So closing capital plus drawings minus additional capital minus opening capital is equal to profit. This is the formula. So let's substitute the values. Closing capital is x, we don't know. We have to find out that x now. So x plus drawings 30,000 minus additional capital of 15,000 minus the opening capital 1 lakh is equal to 60,000 profit. Now just leave this x alone here. If the remaining goes to the other side, you can solve that x. X is equal to 1,45,000. This 1,45,000 is the closing capital. We can also put this similar to the statement form. Same format, but the balancing figure will be the missing figure. The next problem. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Again the same typical problem. Capital as on 1st April 2018 is 40,000. This is the opening capital. So capital as on 31st March 2019, 50,000 will be your closing capital. Additional capital introduced during the year is 7,000. Profit for the year is 8,000. Drawings during the year. So this drawings will be your x. So we will again use the same formula. Capital at the end plus drawings minus additional capital minus opening capital is equal to profit. 50,000 is your capital at the end. Drawings x minus 7,000 will be your additional capital and minus 40,000 your opening capital is equal to the profit 8,000. So 3000 plus X is equal to 8000. Take the text term, 8000 minus 3000. X will be your drawings, 5000. The next problem. Following are the balances in the books of Thomas as on 31st March 2019. So they have given the following information: sundry creditors 6 lakhs, furniture 80,000, land and building 3 lakhs, sundry debtors 3 lakh 20,000, bills payable 1 lakh 20,000, cash in hand 20,000, bills receivable 60,000, stock 2 lakh 20,000. Prepare a statement of affairs as on 31st March and calculate capital as on that date. Now, they've given us a set of assets and liabilities. So we have to prepare a statement called statement of affairs. It is similar to a balance sheet. We will have all the liabilities on the left side and assets on the right side. The difference between the total of assets and the total of liabilities will give the capital. So let us move on to the solution. So how to prepare this statement of affairs? So as I told you, liabilities on the left side, sundry creditors 6 lakhs, bills payable 1 lakh 20,000. Coming back to the asset side, furniture 80,000, land and building 3 lakhs, sundry debtors 3 lakh 20,000, cash in hand 20,000, bills receivable 60,000, stock 2 lakh 20,000. So when you add up all the assets, it comes to 10 lakhs. And on the liability side, we are having only 2 items: sundry creditors 6 lakhs, bills payable 1 lakh 20,000. The total this side is 7 lakh 20,000. Assets, you have 10 lakh. This 10 lakh minus 7 lakh 20,000 gives you the balancing figure 2 lakh 80,000. That is going to be the capital. So this is called as statement of affairs. So statement of affairs is similar to a balance sheet having liabilities and assets. The difference between the assets and the liabilities gives us the capital. This statement is mainly prepared to find out the capital. Seventh problem. On 1st April 2018, Subha started her business with a capital of 1 lakh 20,000. She did not maintain proper books of accounts. Following particulars are available from her books as on 31st of March 2019. So given some liabilities and assets. So bank overdraft 50,000, debtors 1 lakh 80,000, bills receivable 70,000, computer 30,000, machinery 3 lakhs. Stock in trade 1 lakh 60,000, creditors 90,000, bills payable 2 lakh 40,000, cash in hand 60,000. So during the year, she withdrew 30,000 for her personal use. She introduced further capital of rupees 40,000 during the year. Calculate her profit or loss. So in this problem, they have given us some a set of assets and liabilities and some additional information like drawings, additional capital, and they have asked us to find out the profit or loss. So the first step will be the preparation of statement of affairs. So they didn't give us any detail about the closing capital. So initially, Subha started her business with a capital of 1 lakh 20,000. This 1 lakh 20,000 is the opening capital. And we don't know anything about the closing capital. We are now going to prepare statement of affairs to find out the capital as on 31st of March 2019. That is the closing capital. So bank overdraft 50,000, creditors 90,000, bills payable 2,40,000. Assets, debtors 1,80,000, bills receivable 70,000, computer 30,000, machinery 3 lakhs, stock in trade 1,60,000, cash in hand 60,000. So when you add up all the assets, it comes to 8 lakhs. Now if you find the difference between the total of assets and the liabilities considering the bank overdraft, creditors and bills payable, the difference is the capital at the end, the balancing figure 4,20,000. So this 4,20,000 is going to be the closing capital. Now we are going to do the second step. We have already found out the closing capital. The second step is preparation of statement showing profit or loss as on 31st of March 2019. So we will start with the closing capital. Capital as on 31st of March 2019. The previous step we have found out 4,20,000 as the closing capital. We are going to start with that. With 4,20,000 you are going to add drawings 30,000, which gives us 4,50,000. Now deduct the additional capital introduced during the year. 40,000 is the additional capital. If we deduct 40,000 from 4,50,000, you get 4,10,000. This 4,10,000 is the adjusted capital. Now deduct the opening capital from the adjusted capital. 4,10,000 minus 1,20,000. You will get a profit of 2,90,000. This is the profit made during the year. Hope you understand how to prepare statement of affairs to find out the capital and then preparation of statement showing profit or loss. Thank you.